Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, so now because we are dealing with quadratic equation now, whenever this word product comes children, then you know the problem is from quadratic, because product में आप multiply करोगे तो variables multiply होंगे तो you will get a second degree equation, right? So product word देखते ही आपको idea आ जाना चाहिए कि this question is actually from quadratic. So if it is from quadratic, it's no point taking another variable. Okay, even if you take, then you can eliminate, you can substitute, and then वो automatically quadratic आ जाता है. But आप पहले ही अगर cut short कर लो, then your work will be much easier. Like I've taken the first number as x, then second number not as y. I've straight away taken it as 27 minus x because the sum was 27. Otherwise आप लिखते x plus y is equal to 27, then y would be 27 minus x, तो बात वही आती. Okay, and x into y यहाँ पे करते. So cut it short. As I'm saying, product या कुछ words language से समझ में आ जाता है. The question is from linear equation or from quadratic. Okay, so here I knew it is from quadratic because of the word product, so I have not introduced the second variable. If one number is x, the other number will be sum minus the first number. Okay, that is how you get your second number. So their product means multiply them. X into 27 minus x is 182. Distributing that x inside, this becomes 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Take all the terms to one side. Quadratic का form यही होता है, 0 the other side. So plus x square minus 27. They are changing the side. सब इधर की side चले गए हैं. Plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, so now factorizing this. So all of you know how to solve quadratic equation, right? So the product would be 182. तो इसका factors निकाले यहाँ पे मैंने. Factors are coming as 2 into 7 into 13. So we are looking for factors which will sum up to give you 27. So 7 2s are 14 and 1 factor 13. 13 plus 14 is 27. So we will split this middle term as x square minus 14 minus 13. And then from the first two, x can be taken common. From the other two, minus 13 can be taken common. So minus minus. ये प्लस था, यहाँ से एक माइनस जाएगा तो लेफ्ट ओवर विल बी माइनस, साइन चेंज होगा. ओके, so the two factors are x minus 14 and x minus 13. One by one you will equate the factors to 0. So if you write x minus 14 is equal to 0, taking 14 to the other side, you get x is equal to 14. Then second में you will take x minus 13 is equal to 0, which will give you x is equal to 13. Okay, so these are your two solutions. Hence the two numbers will be 13. See, अगर आप यहाँ से लेते हो 14 is your answer, then 27 minus 14 will be 13. 13 को लेते हो तो 27 minus 13 is 14. Okay, so anyhow you're getting the same answer. So we'll say the two numbers are 13 and 14. Next we need to find two numbers whose two consecutive positive integers whose sum of whose squares is 365. So consecutive positive integers, earlier also we have dealt with that consecutive numbers are one after the other. Okay, so let the two numbers be, if x is your first number, then its consecutive will be x plus 1. Sum of their squares, इनको square करो, square of first number, square of second number, उनका sum करना है. So your equation will be x square plus x plus 1 whole square. The sum of the squares is 365. Opening this by a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Getting all the terms one side, x square becomes 2x square minus plus 2x, and this will come as minus 365. Minus 365 plus 1 will give you minus 364. It's equal to 0. All of them are divisible by 2, तो हम छोटा कर लेते हैं अपना equation. Dividing by 2, this will become x square plus x and minus 182. अब factors of 182. अभी ऊपर भी 182 ही थे, remember? Okay, so same factors 13 and 14 will come here also. So I've split this as x square, but this time we will find the difference because product negative है तो opposite signs होने चाहिए, and इसका हो रहा है. Okay, and the sum was as 1. So x square plus 14x plus minus 13x minus 182. So from the first two, x can be taken common. From the other two, minus 13 common. These are your two factors, x plus 14, x minus 13. Okay. Then इसको अगर आप 0 रखते हो, 14 will go to the other side, so you will get x is equal to minus 14, and from here you will get x is equal to plus 13. अब उसने बोला था पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, तो ये नेगेटिव आ गया है, तो इसको हम रिजेक्ट कर देंगे सोल्यूशन. विल जस्ट टेक इट फ्रॉम हियर. सो x is equal to 13. The numbers are 13 and consecutive. Other one will be 13 plus 1, 14. These are your two. Fifth one says the altitude of a right triangle is 7 less than its base. If hypotenuse is 13, you have to find the other two sides. Okay. So I've just shown that with the right angle triangle, that is your right angle triangle. So base was, suppose we take the base as x, altitude was 7 less means minus 7. So we'll start by assuming let the base be x centimeters, then the altitude will become x minus 7. Now this is a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Open this by a minus b whole square. That is coming your quadratic equation. Again ये सब 2 से divisible थे, तो हमने reduce कर दिया है. Factors of 60. अब 60 के factors करोगे, यहाँ तो 1 ही था. So these are your factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So various combinations आप check करके देखो. So this combination, that is 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 5. 5 and 12 difference will be 7. So we will split this as x square minus 12x plus 5x. Minus 12 plus 5 gives you minus 7 and multiply करोगे तो minus 60. Okay. So then factorizing further, x will be common from here, so x minus 12, from here 5 if you take common, so the two factors are x minus 12, x plus 5. Again x minus 12 को 0 रखोगे तो 12 goes there to give you x is equal to 12, this goes there to give you x is minus 5. Again length है, length can not be negative. x हमारा base था, negative नहीं हो सकता, इसे आप reject कर दोगे. So the base is 12 centimeters and altitude will be 12 minus 7, 5 centimeters. For the last one, children, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day, the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that particular day. If the cost of production on a day is total 90, then what were the number of articles produced and also the cost we have to find. So we will start with the number of articles. वो unknown है, वो निकालना भी है, and number of articles के according ही हमें cost बताई गई है कि cost क्या होगी. Okay, so let the number of articles produced on a particular day be x. Then the cost of production was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Number of articles अगर हमने x कहे हैं तो twice means 2 into 2x. And usse 3 more means plus 3. So 2x plus 3 will become your cost of production of one article, that is. Okay. Total cost of production will be the product of these two. Okay. Number of items into cost of one gives you the total cost. So वही किया हमने, number of articles into cost of the article of each article gives the total cost, which is given to you as 90 in the question. Okay. So multiplying inside 2x square plus 3x, 90 इधर आ गया तो minus 90 हो गया. अभी इसको हम factorize कर लेंगे. तो factors of 90 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 and एक 2 भी था यहाँ पे. Sum and product में हम first and last इनका product लेते हैं सच और उसके factors निकालते हैं to give you the sum as 3. Okay, so यहाँ इस combination से हमें check करना पड़ेगा कि which one is giving us 3. So 3 5s are 15, एक factor अगर हम ले लें, remaining 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. 12 and 15 का difference is 3. So we will split this as 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90. So from here we are getting x common, left with 2, 1x and plus 15 here. From here minus of 6 is only common. So 6 2s are 12, x will remain and minus तो common चला गया था. So 15 6 is 90. So 15 remains. So two factors are 2x plus 15 and x minus 6. This will give you a negative result. So you'll have to reject it again. X means number of articles. Negative या fraction नहीं हो सकता है. From here you're getting x as 6. So you conclude that number of articles on a particular day, on that particular day, जब rupees total cost rupees 90 आया था, will be 6 articles were produced and the cost हमने ऊपर बोली थी 2x plus 3 थी. So 2 into x हमने 6 निकाल दिया है. 2 into 6 plus 3, that is rupees 15 is cost of each article.